Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video in our positional option selling strategies adjustments series. So today we're going to discuss about a combination of future and options strategy and the adjustments that can be done for it, both in intraday as well as in the positional trading. So what we are doing is the strategy is we are buying a future. So basically, we are expecting an upward moment from a futures perspective, and then we are selling a short strategy in options market, expecting to gain from theta decay in the options market. Okay, so that's the strategy, and yeah, let's see, what adjustments can we do from an intraday as well as positional perspective on this strategy. So it's a combination of futures and options strategy, and yeah, they call it covered short straddle with future bias. Okay, and the prop desk language, it is called as directional volatility capture of futures plus short straddle overlay. So in a future, you are putting a short straddle overlay. So that's what they call this strategy as. So in this strategy, what you'll do is you'll buy a future, you're expecting a directional up move, and you'll sell ATM call and put, which is the short straddle, to generate theta like a premium income. So effectively, long on futures delta is one, short on call and put. So net delta is plus one. So you're mildly bullish, and you are also expecting to earn from theta from short options. So why this strategy works? The long futures will give you unlimited upside. So if the market goes up, you'll have unlimited upside. And short straddle, if the market stays there only, you'll get within the short straddle range. You can make money from the time theta decay income. So you're long on delta but short on volatility, and you will benefit when the price goes up and volatility compresses. So examples, if we see, if you use BTC strategies, then you will be long on BTC. So one BTC future you will buy, and one short you'll options you'll go to BTC options and buy a short strategy on one ATM call and put on BTC. Okay, so from this example, total premium collected is 1600 here. So scenario one, what happens is BTC supposes at 65,000 in this example. This is an example. Okay, so if BTC rises to 68,000, what will happen? Your futures will gain profit 3,000. Call will lose money. Short call will lose money, and but short put will gain money. Total net you will be in a profit. Okay, if the market goes up, you will be in a profit. Okay, and if market stays flat around 65,000, futures will not, neither it will lose money or gain money, but short straddle will gain money because of theta decay. Okay, if market crashes to 62,000, then your futures will lose money, and your short call will gain money, but short put will lose money. So net you will be in a loss. So when market crashes, then when your view is wrong, then you will lose the money. So it's ideal for mildly bullish environment, low volatility, and sideways to slow uptrend market. This is ideal strategy. It's a combination of futures and option strategy. A similar example is given for Nifty. So it's the same example. Okay, so if it is the same place, you'll gain from theta, and if it rises, you'll gain from futures. If it falls, you'll lose money. So payoff summary, if you see small move, profit will be there from theta. Big up move, flat to mild gain will be there. Futures offsets call loss. Big down move, then you'll have loss on futures and short put. High volatility, negative impact will be there. Short options will lose. Adjustments, intraday adjustments techniques, which are used by scalpers and delta neutral traders, are strong up move if it is there. Okay, yeah, then you can buy back that short call. Okay, or sell a higher short call. Yes, just remove that short call because that will be in loss. So remove it. Keep the short put as well as the futures. Okay, strong down move. Then you buy back the short put. Okay, and you buy back the put because that is incurring loss. Okay, if volatility spikes, then square off one option leg to reduce vega risk. Okay, and if it's in a tight range, keep reselling the straddle. Yeah, so positional adjustments that we could do for this strategy are, if the market drifts away from the ATM, so you could convert this into a short triangle, roll both OTM, roll OTM both sides. You're at the ATM, right? So roll OTM both sides. This will give you a more widened break even. Okay, or you could add hedged wings also, okay, to protect yourself, limiting the loss, converting it into an iron flag, limiting the loss. If volatility rises or market turns choppy, you can scale out the futures. So reduce the future exposure, remove the futures or exit the futures. Keep straddle for premium decay income. If the direction flip is there, strong reversal is there, then square off the futures. Okay, and hold the options. So again, these are the same examples. So these are the strategy metrics. So delta is positive in this strategy, bullish bias. Theta is also positive. You can gain from time decay. Gamma is negative. Losses accelerate on sharp moves, and Vega is negative. Losses if IV spikes. Okay. When to use this strategy? Low IV is there. Indian VIX is less than 12. Excellent for short straddle income, and sideways gradual trend is there. It works best in that scenario. High IV event budgets are there, then avoid this strategy or have hedged wings. Overnight risks also keep it small and have a defined risk. So overall strategy summary is you're going long on futures and having a short straddle in options. Outlook is mildly bullish to short volatility. Profit range best if price remains near the short strikes. Max profit, premium collected plus minor delta gain is there. Max loss is unlimited if crash happens. We can use wings to stop it. Adjustment is we can roll the options, convert it into a triangle or a fly, and it can be used for BTC, Nifty, Bank Nifty with liquid options. So that's the strategy, guys. This is a combination of future as well as options, and we are going long on futures and at the same time having a short straddle. And these are the adjustments that we could do in intraday as well as positional trades. Okay, thanks everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.